Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own coffee grain face mask. So coffee has got loads of known benefits, so it's full of antioxidants and it has the same effects that coffee does when you drink it, so it'll brighten and tighten up your skin and just give you that nice glow. So I'm going to show you with simple ingredients. So all that you need is coffee grains. So I've got my used coffee grains, which I've just stored in here. You can't store them for too long because they will go mouldy if you have used them, obviously because they've got water in them. So just bear that in mind. What I would recommend is that you use the coffee and then let it cool down and maybe use it already the next day or the day after that. So that's all you need. You need your coffee grains, and then I've got olive oil here, so you can use any type of oil that's good for your skin. You might already have some oils for your skin, but I like to use something that I've actually just got in the kitchen, and that's it. Super easy ingredients. So I'm going to show you now how to mix it together and then what it looks like on my face. So all I do is take the coffee, take my spoon and put in 1 spoon of coffee into my mixing bowl, and now I'm going to put in the oil. So I've got a teaspoon of oil now, and so I'm going to pour that in, and now you just mix it. Alright, that's how easy it is. I've literally made it, and now I'm going to put it onto my skin. So just wash your hands first, and then you can literally just put it on with your fingers. So now my face mask is on and my hands are all covered in coffee. So now I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then just wash it off with warm water. And that's it. That is literally how easy it is. So I'll see you all in 10 minutes. So there we go. I've just taken it off, and as you can see, my skin feels like a little bit tighter, quite fresh, and yeah, that's it. So all I did, so I scrubbed it off with a flannel and then the main parts of it, and then I just used one of these cotton cloths that I have, and I just used that to smooth it over. And that's it, that's all that I've done. Afterwards you can always put something else on it if you'd like, just like a toner or anything like that, but I like to leave my skin now to breathe. But yeah, it all depends on your skin type. But yeah, that's how easy it is, and only need 2 ingredients, so yeah, go and give it a go and let me know how you find it.